Today, we're diving into the world of digital art, specifically focusing on some of the best painting applications available for Android devices. So grab your stylus and let's get started. Medibang Paint Make Art. Medibang Paint is a versatile digital painting app designed for artists of all skill levels. It offers a plethora of features, including customizable brushes, a wide selection of tones and textures, and cloud support for easy access to your projects across devices. The app also includes comic creation tools, allowing users to create and publish their manga with ease. With a user-friendly interface, Medibang Paint makes it simple for beginners to get started while providing advanced options for experienced artists. Ibis Paint X. Ibis Paint X is a feature-rich drawing application that caters to both novices and professional artists. It boasts a variety of tools, including over 2,500 materials, 800 fonts, and 379 brushes, enabling users to create detailed artworks. Its unique layer system allows for intricate designs and compositions, giving artists the flexibility to manipulate their work. The app also includes a recording feature that captures the drawing process, making it ideal for sharing tutorials or showcasing techniques on social media. With its active community and constant updates, Ibis Paint X remains a popular choice among digital artists. Infinite Painter. Infinite Painter stands out for its intuitive design and powerful features. This app provides a smooth painting experience with over 160 brush presets, advanced layer options, and powerful selection tools. It allows users to work on high-resolution canvas sizes, making it suitable for professional-grade artwork. Infinite Painter also supports various file types, ensuring compatibility with other software. The minimalist interface is designed to eliminate distractions, focusing the artist on their creative process. Thanks for watching our exploration of the top digital painting apps for Android. Happy painting, and we'll see you next time.